we found this Autry chicken seasoning breading mix. This was at Walmart. It was on clearance for $2. Found it in the clearance area. Have not tried this before, so I'm interested in trying it. It's 45 calories per serving and 16 servings in this box. Comes in a bag, which I have already opened. And so I'm going to just spread some of the product out on a plate as it suggests on the box to coat a chicken breast. Maybe there we go. A little touch more. The rest can be used in another time. I'll be preparing. Oops, excuse me. I'll be preparing this in the oven at 400 degrees. Scooch over for a second. I'll get a glove. There we go. And then it says take a moistened chicken. Bring that up so you can still see the packaging. There we go. Alright, so I've got the chicken breast here. And I'm just going to coat it. So you can also put it in a bag and shake it up. That would be really good if you're doing like chicken nugget style pieces. But since we're doing a full breast, I think that this would be the best way to get it fully coated. But yeah, in the oven it says, I believe, 20-25 minutes. Just making sure I'm getting all the little spaces coated. And then when this is done, it seems to hold on pretty good to the chicken. When this is done, we'll come back and do the taste test and show you what the crispiness is like, what the color is like, and what the flavor is like. Alrighty, chicken just came out. It's 200 degrees, so it is thoroughly cooked through. I tasted the breading. It is really salty. So this is definitely not one that I'm going to enjoy. Just all I noticed really was saltiness. I didn't really notice any other flavors, so if you were going to use this, I would say add some seasoning to it, because just unless you're just looking for salty chicken, but I think you can do that without this product. I'll see if I can find this online. If I can, I'll put a link below. If you've ever tried this chicken seasoned breading mix, let me know what you thought of it. But yeah, I would give this, for me, it was a 1 star. I didn't like it at all. It was not for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.